Problem 14, problem set 14, here we go. All right, so due to technical difficulties, I have already done this video, but it came out upside down. So you're going to see how some things are a little modified today. All right, so if you're looking closely, you can see the answer to H. Go ahead and check your work. Now, let's go ahead and move to I. All right. So I is going to be this problem right here. I'm going to zoom in. All right. So if you see in H, there was a ton of me unbundling so I could do this math. That's going to be the same for over here. So let's go ahead and get started. All right. So essentially, this problem is saying this is about 124,000 minus 31,000. This is a bigger number than this number. It's just that the digits here are smaller than the digits on the bottom. So that means I'm going to have more math than what you're probably used to. So if I look right here, 0 minus 7. 0 minus 7, well, no can do. So I'm going to unbundle, turn that into a 50, bring a 10 over. Now it says 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7 is, you're right. All right, 5 minus 1. 0 minus 1. No can do. Cannot do that. So I'm going to need to unbundle, bring over a 10. 2 minus 3. Well, I cannot do that. So I need to unbundle, turn that into a 12. 12 minus 3. Okay, so that is going to be my final answer, 92,943. All right, 2 problems for you to double check to see if you're correct. Look at this one. Lots of unbundling here. Lots of unbundling. All right, so again, remember I've already worked this. Let me zoom out so you can see a little bit better. All right, let's read this problem. It says, draw a tape diagram to represent each problem. Use numbers to solve and write your answer as a statement. Check your answers. There are 86,400 seconds in one day. If Mr. Legals is at work 28,800 seconds a day, how many seconds a day is he away from work? So there's seconds in a day no matter what. They're telling you this is how many. So you can see I've already started my tape diagram here. So I'm going to break out my pen. This right here represents the whole day. And this is the number of seconds in the whole day. This number represents how many seconds he is at school. Well, school, work, school for you, work for him. All right, so that means we're not exactly sure how many minutes he is at home. This is work, this is at home. This is all together. This would be the sum of these two numbers. But we're missing this number. So, if you're looking, okay, I know what would be one whole day of seconds. And then I know how much time he does spend at work, because the problem tells me. So I need to find the difference. And that means I'm going to subtract. And voila! Through the powers of magic, you can see my work here. All right. So this is one day. This is when he is at work. This is going to be how much time he gets to spend at home in seconds. So 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Well, 4 minus 8. So you can see I had to unbundle and turn that into a 14. That's going to be 6. Well, 5 minus 8, I can't do that. So yet again, I unbundled, turned that into a 15. 7 minus 2, 5. All right, 4th grade. Now it is your turn. Front and back of problem set 14. Stay super focused like that adorable puppy.